In this diagram, 2 squares are shaded out of 8 squares. We write the shaded fraction as 2 over 8 or 2/8 like this. The bottom number says how many parts there are in the shape, 8 parts here, and the top number says how many are shaded, so 2 are shaded here. Let's see another example. The shape here is made of 5 identical triangles and 3 of those are colored yellow. So the fraction colored yellow is 3/5 or 3/5 like this. The reverse of this is drawing a diagram that shows a particular fraction. Suppose we have to draw a diagram to show 2/7. There are many ways of doing this. The simplest way is to draw 7 connected boxes and then to shade 2 of them like this.